Hello, I am Elmer Moneda and this is my video tutorial project for CP132 Managing Enterprise Servers. And in this video tutorial, we're going to talk about SSH, or short for Secure Shell. Secure Socket Shell. Secure Socket Shell is a network protocol that is used by administrators to securely access remote servers. Now SSH can also be used to copy and transfer files using SCP, or secure copy. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to use two CentOS machines in VirtualBox. One is CentOS 6.6 and 6.5. First we need to do is to connect those two by changing their network settings into bridge adapters. Like I've changed this already earlier. As you can see, they're in bridge adapter settings. Now we're going to open both of them. The CentOS 6.5 is the CentOS that I've installed in my previous tutorial in my first video tutorial project in Linux 1. Now let's wait for the loading to be complete. I apologize for the wait because my laptop is not that powerful. Now, we need first to log into the respective machines. Type in the password. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is to make sure that both of the machines are connected, because we need those machines to be connected to each other. Now to do that, we need to ping each machine. But first we need to know their IP addresses by typing ifconfig. Now we know that the first machine, the Moneda machine, has an IP of 192.168.2.19, while the admin user machine, which is this one, has an IP of 192.168.2.215. As you can see, they're both in the same network. Now, another thing we need to know is if there is an SSH installed. I know there's an SSH installed here, but there's a simple way to know for sure, and that's the command the use of this command: service SHD status. We need to first access the administrator access using su command and typing in the password. I apologize. I apologize for that. I changed the camera settings in my video recorder to the upper right for us to see the command lines. Now where are we? Now we have two machines. The first machine is the Moneda machine. The other one is the admin user machine. Now to get their IP address, we need to first... Oh no, I already told that earlier. Now, since we know their IP addresses, first thing we need to do is to log into their root access, which is through the password here, and the other one. Now, when we're since SSH is a secure socket shell, which is a secure way to access remote computers, the commands for simple SSH access is simply SSH, the name of the computer you want to access, then its IP address, which is this one, 15. Now it will prompt you to the password of that machine, which is typically the password you enter when you in the start of the machine, is admin user. Now as you can see, we are now logged in machine 2, which is the admin user machine. Now to prove that, let's create a text file in the admin user machine, but by first going to that directory, desktop, then creating a file named proof.txt. Now as you can see, the proof.txt is now in the machine 2, which we accessed in machine 1. Now SSH has another use, which is by using SCP, which stands for secure copy. Now as the name suggests, it's the use of that is to securely copy files from one remote computer to the host, or other way around. Now since we created a file named proof.txt in the machine 2, let's copy that file and put it in our host server, which is the Moneda machine. Let's exit the SSH first. Now the command is simple, which is scp the name of the machine you want to copy. The name of the machine that has the file you want to copy to, which is admin user. Then the IP, colon slash the directory of that file, then the file itself, and the directory you want and the directory in the machine you want it to be placed to. Moneda./desktop. It will prompt you to a password again, which is simply admin user. Wait, and as you can see, the proof.txt is now in the host server. Now there's another This this is copying a file in the host server in your local server from the remote server. Now there's another SCP which is copying your files in your local server into the remote server. Now to do that, we need to first create the file transfer to the remote server. Let's name that touch to transfer that text. This in our host server. Now we need to transfer that text file into the remote server. Now to do that, we same command scp but with a different format. We need to first insert the file location of the file you want to transfer to the remote server. To transfer that text file. Wait a second. Then the name of the remote server, which is admin user. Then the IP address, which is 2.215. Then the directory in the remote server you want it to be placed. There. Enter. Prompt you to another password. There, as you can see, we transferred a file from the host server into the remote server.